In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add some realism to the scene. I have imported a pair mesh and used an external texture images. I'll share the download link in the description. This tutorial was made for Blender's Cycles renderer. To create a best-looking render scene, it's very important to use the best texture images available. I would recommend everyone to use freely available resources, as there are a number of websites who provide such resources. Let's append the meshes. Let's scale the meshes, align them with the world center, and separate them on the top viewport. I'll create a ground plane and set up the render scene. I'm using 1K models, but I would recommend everyone use 8K models instead, as they look super crisp and way better than 1K. I'm using the sky texture as the environment light. I'll show you my render settings. Please use Filmic with very high contrast for the best looking render image. I'll add the ground texture images next. To use the Ctrl, Shift, and T, as in Tango, PBR image adding shortcut, please activate an add-on called Node Wrangler. In some cases, we must scale the texture images out, because they would show pixelated parts like this. This issue will occur, especially if we're using a low-resolution texture images. I'll add a brightness and contrast node to darken up the image a bit. This is optional, but we can also add a depth of field empty object like this. Please test with the settings, as we want a crisp details around where the empty object is located. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.